What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Dave and this is Boosted Addictions. So we got the 2018 Mustang back here. We're at the shop, about to pull it in, put it on a lift, and we're about to cut it open. We're about to put the turbos on and fuel system, suspension. We're gonna do the whole 9 yards. So stay tuned. It's gonna be a little tough for me. It's gonna be only me most of the time doing the work, so it's gonna be a little tough. Try to, record and, all that. So I'll do my best. Stay tuned. All right, guys, here's the complete kit. There's some extra stuff here, like the drive shaft, the half shafts, the injectors, the Ford's innovation return fuel system. But majority, here's the kit. There's the intercooler, the turbos, all the piping, down pipes, X pipes, turbo blankets, hoses, clamps, intercooler pipes, exhaust pipes and flanges, header, fan, the radiator fan. They give you another radiator fan mount for the fans because the stock fan mount has to come out, it just won't fit. So here we go. This is pretty much the whole kit. It's a lot of stuff. We got the car on the lift and we're gonna start wrenching. So hopefully we can get this done, or I can get this done. Hopefully a couple of my boys come over and help me. I don't know, but it's just me right now. So I'm just gonna take it, piece at a time. So stay tuned.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
What's up, guys? So it's Sunday. We got a lot done on the car. I just want to say that the kit is a complete bolt-on kit. I haven't ran into any real issues yet, but there is a lot of preparation for installation of the pipes, as far as heat tape, heat wrap. We're talking about a 2018 Mustang or any newer car. There's not much room, especially a V8 car. There's not much room under the hood of these cars. So there's really nowhere to run anything. So Hellion really put a lot of time into this kit. It's definitely a grade A kit, but it is a lot of preparation. I mean, don't get me wrong. If you want to fly through it, you can fly through it, but you're going to melt things. The car's not going to run. You might get a couple good passes out of it, and then everything's on fire. You got to really take your time with this kit and make sure it's right. So I'm going to give you a little walk around of the car and the progress.
All right, so here's the car.
We got the turbos mounted pretty much. Having a little bit of an issue. Get this flashlight. Having a little bit of issue with this flange here. Can't get the clamp to lock in right. So I'm gonna take the turbo off, try to reclock everything, set everything. This one is in, flanges are tight. But yeah, a lot of preparation. A lot of tedious stuff. You gotta really take your time with it. Not much of the kit left. Got the drive shaft in too. Gotta put them in still, half shafts. They're 1400s. I was just talking to my buddy the other day. He said the 1400 half shafts, the drive shaft shop, he snapped them already. So, and he ain't putting 1400, but he's also a stick car. So we'll see. But yeah, here we are, progress. Love to take a trip down to Mustang Week. If I don't get the car together in time, I am probably still gonna go. So, just wanna give you a brief update. Murph's on his way over. The turbos really look good in there, don't they? They're the 6266s, ball bearing turbos. I think they look sweet. What's up, guys? So we're doing pretty good. We're moving along pretty well. The turbo, everything's in. Intercooler piping, pump to pump the oil back up into the motors, back in, all in. Everything's wrapped, out of the way. Now I'm working on the exhaust, putting the exhaust up, and we're putting up the wastegates. I just changed the springs in the wastegates. I do have a return fuel system for this car, but I am not going to put it in until probably next week after the car's together. I just ordered a booster pump just for the time being. I'm trying to get the car back together by Wednesday. I'm leaving Thursday morning for Myrtle Beach, so I would really like to bring the car with me. So that's why I'm not putting the pump, the return fuel system in, because I don't think I have enough time to do it. It's Monday. I have a lot done already. Basically, what else I have to do is the injectors, spark plugs, the booster pump, and then wire in the boost smart controller. And then obviously put the car back together, all the cosmetic stuff. So the return fuel system will go in next week, 100%. Like I said, I'm just trying to do the booster pump just for the time being, so I can have the car down at Mustang Week. So, all right, guys, stay tuned. What's up, guys? So we got the car complete. Well, we're 90% complete. The turbo kit is on the car. The only thing that's not on the car is the return fuel system and some steated bushings. But everything else is pretty much on there. I wind up having some help. A few of my buddies came over and helped me. I definitely had an issue with some of the shipping. I had some shipping damage, as you guys seen probably in the previous clip. But right here, the inlet tube is nicked and dented. One of the air filters were crushed. I did talk to Jeff over at Hellion. Great customer service over there. Jeff's gonna take care of it right away, send me out some new pieces. So the car is complete. Well, like I said, the turbo kit is complete. This turbo kit is a grade A kit. It is very complex. Hellion spent a lot of time in fabrication on this kit. Now I understand why it's so expensive. There is absolutely no room to install this kit on this car. Everything has to be 100% wrapped, heat taped, or you're gonna have issues. You have to really take your time. I didn't run into any real install issues with the car. Everything kind of really just went up. A lot of just making it work, making it fit. Like I said, very tight. So if you're going to attempt a kit like this, please take your time and save, you know, save yourself some time to complete the kit properly. The weather's been really crappy out here lately, so I haven't really had a chance to take any videos of the car running. The car runs extremely well. It's on about 5.5 pounds of boost right now. It is at least to say it's a monster. I got to pull off these street tires. I have these tires here, the SVRs on some Mickey Thompson ET Streets. I actually have another set of ET Street Rs on some 17s, which I think are going to be more suitable. I don't think these tires are going to hold down the power, but these, it definitely just blows them off. So just wanted to complete the video here because, you know, I'm sorry, there was a lot of, you know, I was planning on doing videos, but it was a lot, guys. So I put together a picture clip. It was very intense. It was a lot. So I've done plenty of turbo kits in my life. This by far is the most complex and definitely the best fabricated one I've ever done. So guys, check out some more videos coming soon of the car running. We're gonna do a review. Stangmo wants to do a review of the car. Like and subscribe. There's gonna be a lot of cool stuff coming up with this car. This car is going to be tuned on E85. Like I said, with the return fuel system, it's going to move out. So stay tuned, guys. This car is going to be probably, you know, one of the fastest. I know Midnight Performance cars is pretty fast, but that's my goal, is to get up there with him. So stay tuned, guys. God bless.